In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix keyboard making beeping noise when typing in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and then you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on accessibility. Scroll down and you will find keyboard. Click on that under interaction. You'll find sticky, filter, and toggle keys. Make sure all of the buttons are switched off. If these are switched on like this, switch the buttons off. Okay? Now once done, close this window. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Right click at the start button, select device manager for the next method. Once device manager window is open, simply click on keyboards. You'll find your keyboard driver. Make a right click, select update driver. Go with search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. So you have to simply click on the close button. Okay, and see if that worked for you. For the next method, again, go back to the same device manager window. You have to right click at the start button and then select device manager. Once it opened, you have to locate keyboards. Click on this arrow to expand the list. Then make a right click, select properties. So here, if you can find the power management tab, just simply let me show it to you because I don't have that. Okay, if you find the power management tab on your keyboard driver, simply uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, okay? So again, if you can find this power management tab on your keyboard driver, simply uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, okay? And that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.